Salutations, humans. If knowledge is what you're seeking, you are now tuned in to the truth-speaking beacon, Amigo Fresh.
So there are consequences to the U.S. having a for-profit healthcare system. 40% of Americans can't even afford a $400 medical emergency. And the politicians who take money from health insurance companies and big pharmaceutical companies do the bidding of those companies. So every establishment Republican or Democrat who opposes Medicare for all or any type of public option is being bribed. Congress themselves just recently voted to increase their own healthcare coverage. So they're voting to increase their healthcare, but not giving you any. So here's an article from the Daily Poster. Biden lifts healthcare plan from insurance lobbyists. So he's getting his healthcare plan from the lobbyists. Joe Biden's new COVID relief plan does not adapt existing Democratic legislation to expand government-sponsored Medicare medical coverage, nor does it propose the promised public health insurance option. So he's in the middle of making a relief plan, and there's already legislation available that increases Medicare and gives a public option, but he's choosing not to do it. I mean, he could do it at a later point, but why not just do it now when healthcare is on everybody's mind? Here's one reason why it could be. Biden's inaugural campaign has received donations from at least two major health insurers, Anthem and Centene, which both offer plans in the state marketplace exchanges. The AHIP, which is America's Health Insurance Plans, is the political advocacy group for health insurance companies. The insurance lobbyists said that the providers are eager to assist Biden's health team. Yeah, of course they are, because they want to be the ones to make the rules. And they're obviously demanding lucrative new subsidies for insurance companies. When the public option was being suggested for the ACA, the AHIP bankrolled a $100 million advocacy campaign against it. So that's why it was never included in the Affordable Care Act. Joe Biden's plan now doesn't solve any of the problems with our healthcare system, like people being underinsured or people not being able to afford the insurance. But this is what he wants to get passed anyway. But Biden, ain't this you?
What I'm going to do is pass Obamacare with a public option. Become Biden care. The public option is an option that says that if you, in fact, do not have the wherewithal if you qualify for Medicaid and you do not have the wherewithal in your state to get Medicaid, you automatically are enrolled, providing competition for insurance companies.
I guess this is going to be the first of many broken promises.
Louis. Yeah. He said public option, but didn't mean it. I guess it's pledge of allegiance to the last that he's speaking. Man, corruption ain't leaving. They only care for themselves and not America's health. Cost the lobbyists dealt. It's getting harder to stop it because they do it for profit. They don't attend to the people. Even when it turns lethal, they not saving their lives when they exchange them for bribes. Happens too many times. They put your health on the line. When they cook up these things, it's always looking right wing. No garlic palm, these puppets, someone's pulling their strings, and I get fed up. Cause when they get their bread up, they just relish and they green for your blood. Red ketchup, it's a setup when I'm rapping. I sometimes get to snapping for the empty that they lacking. It's corruption at its height, cause they bought off at a price, not treating healthcare as a right. In his current position, it's not a hard decision. He's picking cronyism. Already, we acknowledge this. It's bad politics, he's filled with broken promises. Already, we acknowledge this. It's bad politics, he's filled with broken promises. Already, we acknowledge this. It's bad politics, he's filled with broken promises.